All right, today we're going to do a video of a Toyota cylindrical grinder. It's a model GE4P-50. It's serial number RCB1232. Has a Toyota control. We're going to start the wheel nice and quiet. I'm going to go here. We're going to turn on your Workhead as well. You have your Workhead there. Your table is ball screw driven, as well as your Wheelhead. Both are nice and smooth. You have a 3-point dresser mounted to the back of the Workhead. The machine is presently wired to 120 volts. Stop your Workhead and stop your wheel so I can show you the tailstock. That's your tailstock. Oh, tailstock just advanced. And that basically does it. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.